Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change video mode adjustment on the IIYAMA monitor. To do this, first we'll need to press on the joystick button behind the right side of our screen, navigate to image adjust options, then scroll down to video mode adjust, and here we can switch between aspect, dot by dot, 17-inch, 19-inch, 19.5-inch, and there's many different options that you can set here, so you can check them out if you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.